There's this new AI agent like Manus and Genspark. The name of this AI agent is DeepAgent by Abacus AI. Just like Manus and Genspark, this AI agent is capable of several things. Like this AI agent can actually build technical reports, it can create very high quality presentations, and even it can create websites, it can build games, it can plan your trips, it can manage your bookings and reservations. It can also interact with your favorite CMS like Jira, and of course it can connect to Gmail and automate your workflow. But the most fascinating and time-saving feature that I like about this AI agent is its capability of doing research. So I had this task that please create a spreadsheet of all of the startups listed in the last batch of Y Combinator. Create a spreadsheet with their names, emails, and their website addresses. And after I gave it this prompt, it asked me to connect with Gmail. And after that, what it did, it visited this Y Combinator startups directory on their Y Combinator website. And from here, it asked me to choose a batch. So I chose this winter 2025 batch. So what it did, it went through all of these companies in winter 2025. And then it created a very detailed spreadsheet, and then it did a very thorough in-depth research about each and every single company in that particular batch. You can see there are 164 companies in this batch. So it just visited every single company, it learned about that particular company, and after that it created very detailed spreadsheets. These are the different spreadsheets in my Google Drive that it created. This is the first spreadsheet where it has a list of all of the startups and their email addresses and their website addresses. The data that it collected is so accurate that even I cross-verified with all of these different companies, and I verified their email addresses, and it was actually true about everything. So let's suppose this is the first company, which is Red Barn Robotics. So in here you can see there is no email address mentioned directly in here on this Y Combinator page. So what it had to do, it went to their website, and from here it just looked for an email address, and then it entered that email address inside the spreadsheet. So this is how this AI agent is saving so much time for us. So let's just try a different task now. To access this DeepAgent, what you can do, you can simply just go to apps.abacus.ai, and from here you can access this DeepAgent. From here you can simply just click on this DeepAgent option in here. Simply just click on that, and then it will automatically open this page in front of you. Just make sure that you are on this page. You have these different tasks, sample tasks in here. So make sure that you are in here, and from here you can just give your prompt and ask it to do what exactly do you want. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Please do a research on all of the startups in W25 batch of Y Combinator. Shortlist the AI companies, then create a spreadsheet that contains the name, email addresses, and founders' names in the spreadsheet. And just like that, I'll press enter and see that how this tool actually works. So first thing first that it will do, it has some questions from us. The first one is, would you like me to include any specific information about these AI companies beyond names, email addresses, and founder names? For example, their product, services description, funding information, or funding date. So I think we'll just have products, just add product/service description. Do you have any preferences for the format of the spreadsheet? I think the normal Google Sheets spreadsheet format should be Google Sheets. After that, are you interested in any particular domain or application, for example, generative AI? So I think, yeah, generative AI. So I have just mentioned these three answers of the questions that it asked from me, and now it should start doing its research. Right now you can see agent is using search. It is using its own browser, and now it has started doing research on the Y Combinator startups in this particular batch. Alright, so after a few minutes, it has just completed its research. So these are the different steps that it did. It visited the Y Combinator directory and also other different websites, and then each individual website for each of these startups. And after that, it has now created this very detailed report. So let's just open that. We can simply just click on it. It will download this report as PDF. You can simply just open that. And from here, you can see it has shortlisted all of the generative AI companies in this particular batch. The first one is AIvideo.com. Then there is Abundant. It has actually added details about each company, that what these companies do. So all of these are actually generative AI companies, and it has mentioned their particular services and tasks as well. So that's just amazing. Now we can ask it to create further maybe spreadsheets about all of the founders, or emails of the founders of all of these shortlisted companies. So it will then go ahead and find the emails of those particular founders of those particular companies. So just give this agent a try. I have provided the link in description. You can use that link. And if you have any particular questions, please leave your comments in comment section. I see you next video. Bye bye.